Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 14, 2023. Actually, market holiday. We are going to put this video is related to yesterday's trading. That is November 13, Monday's trading. November 13, 2023. And of course, we'll try to cover what happened on Muhurat trading on November 12, Sunday, on Diwali day also. First the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. Nifty yesterday it closed 19,542.15, 0.6% down. BankNifty 43,891.25, 0.24% down. Nifty 19,443.55, 0.42% down. See what happened overall. BankNifty, Nifty, everything on Diwali day. Friday it closed solid green candle, after which it opened the gap up and formed a kind of a doji or a hanging man type, not a very big hanging man doji type. After which yesterday it opened the gap down and it formed, BankNifty formed a doji, again a doji or a long leg doji, but FinNifty and Nifty formed a solid red candle. However, it is on a sideways movement. Why sideways? Because this type of candles normally if it forms, there are chances that it can have a powerful up move. It's like a rising 2 methods. Okay, a rising 3 methods. Actually, after 2 candles, it can happen. Also, there are certain key levels that are there, right? What are the key levels? That the exponential moving average, the 9, 10, and also the 20-day exponential moving average and the Bollinger Middle Band, all are acting as a support, while the immediate resistance is the 50-day moving average, 50-day exponential moving average. That is the nearest support, that is resistance that is available, that is there for all these indices. Okay, and also certain key levels, that is the quarter ending, September quarter ending low is acting as a very good support for BankNifty particularly. Of course, for FinNifty or even Nifty, Nifty never went below there, but BankNifty, that level is holding. I'll tell you what is that level. So that is what it is. Also, when we analyze the individual components, even today, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, they're not looking strong. They're looking weak rather, because last week, Monday it opened, Sunday it opened the gap up and formed a hanging man, after which it formed a red candle. So normally it is what you call the evening star type of candle it is trying to form. So these circumstances around, we cannot expect a big up move or down move in all these things. Also, when we analyze the weekly chart, last week it had formed a solid green candle, 2 weeks it had formed. Hence, there is a high probability that this week can be a small red candle or a doji. If the overall global market goes down significantly, you can have a big red candle also. But I don't see that being a reality, at least at this stage. With this background, yesterday the closure was not very big. Of course, we didn't put our video on Friday, hence no, we are not able to relate to what levels that it would have got closed, what did the levels we had set. But anyway, today we'll give. So this is how the structure is. Overall, it is going to be again a sideways. Tomorrow again, I don't expect big up move or down move, but it can move on both sides, which is why you see in these markets there are traders who lose money miserably. Why? Because amateurs lose money, traders also lose money. Why? Because they don't know technical analysis. Blindly they are hitting, and hence no, both sides they are getting hit terribly, which is why they are incurring severe loss. If one can do a proper technical analysis, yes, I'm not saying that still the losses can come, but the loss will be minimized and you can cut short your losing position and hold your winning position. That technical analysis soundness will help. With that, let's go into the analysis part of it. Yesterday, banks HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank fell 1%. So I said, right, these two are looking weak. While Federal Bank moved up by 2%, AU 3% up, Yes Bank 5% up. One more thing is there, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are, HDFC Bank in particular is below the 2022 levels, around 8% or so, which we have been telling for many days. On the financials, Bajaj Twins fell 1%, while Manappuram 1% up, L&T Finance 2% up. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, SBI Cards 1% down, SBI Life 2% down. On the oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down, while Bharti remained flat. IT, Apple, Birlasoft, Coforge, Infi, Intellect, LTTS, TCS, Techem 1% down. Emphasis down 2%. So nothing moved up, which is why you see Nifty falling more than that of BankNifty or Nifty. On the consumer goods, ABFRL, Bata, HUL, ITC, Nestle, Pidilite, PVR all 1% down. Page Industries down 3%, while Colpal moved up by 1%, Trent moved up by 2%. The automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Escorts, Motherson all down 1%, M&M 1% up, Eicher Motors 2% up. In the metals, Vedanta and SAIL 1% down, Hindalco and JSW 1% up, Coal India 5% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Dr. Reddy, Metropolis and Thyrocare 1% down, Lalpat 2% down. The others category, Delta Corp, Aries, Godrej, Havells, IRCTC, Jubilant Food, UPL, Zomato 1% down, APL, Apollo and Indigo 1% up. Nika 2% up and MCX 4% up. With all these things, what do we expect for Bank Nifty and Nifty expiry, support and resistance, what one can look for? So Bank Nifty, the support is going to be the 50-day moving average. As I said, right, the 50-day exponential moving average is there, above which is the 50-day moving average. These two levels have to be taken out. If that is taken out, then you have the 100-day moving average. But I think 50-day moving average is going to act as a very powerful resistance, at least in the short term. That's at somewhere around 44,230 levels or 240 levels, somewhere there. The support for Bank Nifty is 2022 close, which is also very close to the current levels. That is at 42,986.40. So if that is broken down, then you have a significant fall that will be coming in. I don't think that is going to be broken that easily. For Nifty, anyway, Nifty expiry is day after tomorrow, but still the levels, we feel that Nifty, the October close, which is 19,079.60, that is acting as a close, and the 50-day exponential moving average, something 19,638.30 level, that is there. So that might act as a very good resistance. These are the levels within which it is operating. Thank you very much.